So hi everyone. So today we will solve today's problem of the day, that it's 1st April, and the question is robot collisions. So what is given in the problem is like there are n1 indexed robots, each having a position on a line, health and movements. So there are n robots, and for each robot we have the position, health and the movement direction for each of these robots. And what we have given, like you are given zero indexed integer array positions, health, and a string direction is either L for left or R for right. All integers in positions are unique. Okay, and all robots start moving on the line simultaneously at the same speed in their given direction. If two robots even share the same direction while moving, they will collide. So, if two robots collide, the robot with lower health is removed from the line and the health of the other robot decreased by 1. The surviving robot continues in the same direction it was going. If both robots have the same health, they are both removed from the line. So, basically, we have given like a bunch of robots, and we have the position also. Like for every robot we have the position, and they have first they have that position, then they have the health and for each robot, and then the last one we have the direction for each robot. Like if one robot is moving in, suppose this robot is moving in right side and the second robot is moving on left side, so obviously, and they are moving at the same speed, so so they will collide. If collision will happen, then what will happen, like if we can suppose the health of this robot is 2 and health of this robot is something like 4. So if they will collide, the robot which is having the less health number, like this 2 is less than 4, so this robot we can remove then. And what will happen with this robot, the direction will be same for this robot, but the health will be deduct by 1. like जो health होगा उससे -1 हो जाएगा. Like if now it is having health 4 and after collision its health will be 3, and it will continuously moving to this direction. Now suppose this is also moving in this direction, and then this is moving in this direction, and suppose there is one more robot that is moving in this direction. So if now this is removed, only we are left with these robots. If we are left with these robots, then if it is moving in left side, then there is no possibility that it will have collision with any of these robots, and it is also moving in left side, so there is no possibility to for them to collide with some other robots. So अपन ये देखेंगे कि ये वाला राइट साइड मूव कर रहा है. अब ये राइट साइड मूव कर रहा है, तो अगर कोई भी जो आगे वाला रोबोट है अगर वो लेफ्ट साइड मूव करेगा, देन दे विल हैव कोलिजन. तो अगर इनका अगर सपोज हाइट हेल्थ अगर इनका इसका 3 है एंड सपोज इट्स हेल्थ इज 1, so what will happen, this health is 1, so we can remove this, and we can make uh, its health deduct by 1, so its health will be 2. Now what is remaining, like this is moving in left and this is also moving in left, so nothing will happen to these robots, but this robot is now moving in right. This only is left because we have removed this. So two are moving in left direction and one is moving in right direction. So if and there is no more robots left. अगर यहाँ पे कोई और रोबोट होता भी, so then we can try to find, but अगर ये right जा रहा है and these are moving in left, so they will not collide. So these three will be the remaining robot, like alive one. So we can simply return the health of them, which is written here, like written in an array containing the health of the remaining robots. So we can return the health of them. The health will be, suppose this is health is 3 and this one, and this health we have not decided, so its health, suppose its health will be 1, so it's 1, and this again this one is remaining, so its health is 2, so we can return simply like 3, 1 and 2, the array we need to return. So yeah, this is This is basically marked as hard, but only we need to come up with the approach. If we will get the approach like how to solve this, then it's not that difficult. And now coming to the constraint. So constraint we have given the lengths are from 1 to 10 to the power 5. If it is 10 to the power 5, then if we will try with n or n log n, then we will be able to, if we need to get our answer in n or n log n, because if we will if we will do some approach, and if its time complexity will be n square, then this will become 10 to the power 10, which is greater than 10 to the power 8. So this will give us the TLE. So but in this case it is 10 to the power 5, so we can easily build our solution in big O of n or big O of n log n time complexity. These time complexities are very important if we are solving any data structures and algorithm problem, because if because whole जो सिनेरियो है वो टाइम ये टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी एंड कंस्ट्रेंट्स का ही होता है. It can be most of the time if it is hard, then it is क्योंकि वो विद इन अपन को कंस्ट्रेंट्स में सॉल्व करना है विद इन दैट टाइम, बिकॉज इट कैन बी मार्क्ड एज इजी ऑल्सो. अगर अपन का जो कंस्ट्रेंट्स होते हैं, अगर अपन वी कैन देर विल बी मैनी सॉल्यूशन ऑफ वन प्रॉब्लम. तो एनीबडी कैन कम अप विद एनी अप्रोच ऑफ एनी टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी, बट जो कंस्ट्रेंट्स होते हैं उनके अंडर अपन को टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी लाना रहता है. एंड समटाइम्स वी टू अचीव दैट complexity like big O of n or n log n, it makes the problem hard. So yeah, so that's it. Now if we will so basically अपन को क्या याद रखना है इस प्रॉब्लम में कि रोबोट्स होंगे अपने पास, एंड अगर रोबोट्स में अपने अपन को पोजीशन दिया है एंड वी हैव द हेल्थ एंड वी हैव द डायरेक्शन. So one thing is understood from this problem is अब नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस कि कौन सा डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स यूज करेंगे. तो अब डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे कि वी विल सी. अब देखो सपोज वी हैव दिस वन रोबोट विच इज गोइंग इन राइट, देन अदर रोबोट दिस इज ऑल्सो गोइंग इन suppose right, and this one robot is going in left. If these two robot will have collision, this is moving in right and this moving in left. If these will have collision, and suppose this second one health is less than this third one health, तो जो third one वो होगा वो बच जाएगा. एंड अगर ये बच जाएगा तो then we again try to find the collision of this third one and first one. So we need this so we have to store this element also कि जिससे बाद में अपन पीछे भी एलिमेंट से के पास आ सकते हैं. तो इस प्रॉब्लम में इज समथिंग रिलेटेड टू स्टैक, क्योंकि स्टैक पे अपन क्या करते हैं, अपन एलिमेंट को स्टोर करते जाते हैं एंड इन स्टैक वी विल बी एबल टू ट्रेवर्स टू द लेफ्ट एलिमेंट ऑल्सो, क्योंकि वी विल स्टोर द एलिमेंट. तो अगर ऊपर वाला सपोज ये वाला अगर एलिमेंट पॉप हो जाता है वी कैन रिमूव इट, तो अपन स्टैक के टॉप एलिमेंट की हेल्प से वी कैन फाइंड द नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट इन द लेफ्ट साइड. So yeah, so in this problem we will be using stack. And there is one more thing I missed in this problem is if there are two robots and both is moving in different directions, suppose, and both health is same like H and H, then we will remove both of the robots. Now coming to the example, here we have the first example. So here we have given the position vector, health vector, and the direction. It is shown in this diagram also. So this is moving in left, this is moving in left, this is moving in, sorry, these all are moving in right, right, right. So if every robot is moving in right direction and they have the same speed, so they will never collide. So we can simply return the health of every robot. Now the second example we will see. So we have the four robots. The first is moving in right, the second is also moving in right, the third is moving in left, and fourth is also moving in left. So we can see that this is moving in right and this is moving in left. So they first these two will have collision. अगर इन दोनों का collision हुआ तो इन दोनों का जो health है इसका भी 10 है and इसका भी 10 health है. Then we can remove both of these robot. अगर अपन ने इन दो both robots को remove किया, then we have this robot, this is moving in right and this is moving in left, then these two robots will have collision. अगर इन दोनों का collision हुआ suppose, then this is having the health 15 and it is having the health 12. So obviously this will remove because this is having the less health number, and this will and we can return this robot health. And one most important thing in this question is like, if we will have collision of any robot and if the both health number is same, then we can remove both of them, it is fine. But if there is a difference in the health, then if we are removing the less number one and the one which is remaining, that highest health high health robot, तो उस रोबोट का जो अपन को हेल्थ है उसको अपन को -1 भी करना है. दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. लाइक if you will miss this now, then you might get wrong answer. So this we can remove, we can deduct the health by -1, so we will get 14. So in this case our answer will be 14. If we will move to the third, then if we are in the third example, so third example में क्या है कि this is moving in right and this is moving in left. So this is moving in right and this is moving in left, so they both will have collision and the health is same only. So this both we can remove. And then these also will be moving in opposite direction and health are same, so we can remove these as well. So the answer in this case will be empty array, because we don't have any robot remaining, so we can simply return the empty array. We can't return in the health of any robot in this case. So यहाँ पे अपन को अगर अपन इंट्यूशन की बात करेंगे, सो यहाँ पे अपन को बेसिकली क्या याद रखना है कि वी नीड टू फॉलो फ्यू थिंग्स. लाइक अगर अपने पास रोबोट्स हैं, सो वी विल ट्रेवर्स इट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट, एंड लेफ्ट टू राइट अपन को ट्रेवर्स करना है, डेट टू वी नीड टू डू इन ऑर्डर ओनली. तो अपन को जो है पोजीशन दिया है ना, पोजीशन एरे, डेट वी नीड टू ट्रेवर्स, वी नीड टू शॉर्ट दैट पोजीशन एरे, एंड वी नीड टू ट्रेवर्स फ्रॉम द लोवेस्ट पोजीशन टू द हाईएस्ट पोजीशन. क्योंकि if we are traversing, then like there are 4 robots, then we can't collide this robot with this, क्योंकि जो उसके पास होगा रोबोट, उसी से उसका कोलिजन पहले होगा. तो वी नीड टू शॉर्ट दिस पोजीशन वेक्टर फर्स्टली. तो अपन को शॉर्ट करना है पोजीशन वेक्टर को. एंड सेकेंड थिंग वी नीड टू रिमेम्बर इज लाइक, अगर अपन को लेफ्ट टू राइट ट्रेवर्स करना है, एंड वी विल नीड स्टैक, and we will store our index in the, or the position in the in the stack. And we will remember one more thing in this, कि अपन जब traverse करेंगे robot from the left to right, तो we will remember one thing, that if the robot is moving in the left, then we don't care about that robot. क्यों care नहीं करेंगे? क्योंकि if the robot is moving in the left, then this robot will never collide with anything. So we can just not track this robot, and we can simply return it in our answer key. Like we will include this in our answer, we will not push this in our stack. We will push in the stack the element which are moving in the robot, which are moving in the right. Suppose अगर अपन इन्हीं एग्जाम्पल में से किसी एग्जाम्पल की बात करते हैं, लाइक वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस एग्जाम्पल. तो अगर अपन ने स्टार्ट किया दिस फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट वी विल ट्रेवर्स, तो अपना ये एक स्टैक है. सो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस. तो अब यहाँ पे अपना दिस इज मूविंग इन राइट, तो वी विल पुश आवर this robot index in the, so it is at second position, so we will simply, and we will not put index here, not position, we will put index here. So we will put 3 here because it is moving in right. Then it is also moving in right, so we will again push that in our stack, and now it is moving in left. So if it is moving in left, then what we will do, we will compare this with the top element of our stack. तो अपन इससे इसको कंपेयर करेंगे एंड वी विल चेक द हेल्थ. तो अगर अपन ने हेल्थ देखा कि इन दोनों की हेल्थ सेम है, then what we will do, we can remove it from the stack and we will remove it out, and we can remove this also. No need to push this next into the stack क्योंकि इसकी जो लेंथ है वो obviously its length is like obviously its length is high, sorry, its health is obviously equal, so we don't need to push it. अगर suppose करो इसकी जो health है अगर वो 15 होती, instead of 10, if its health will be 15 suppose, तो अपन क्या करते कि we will pop this element from the stack. It is तो like okay, then what we will do with this 15, we don't need to push this 15 also in the nahi, if we will if this element is like 10 and 15, 15 nahi, 15 is like equals to this. If you will get 6, if you we can change it to 16, then you people will have the more clarity on the problem कि मैं क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ इस केस में. तो अपना क्या हुआ कि 3 है और 1 है, अपन ने 1 को रिमूव किया क्योंकि इन दोनों का कोलिजन हुआ और इसका जो है हेल्थ है वो 16 है. अब ये 16 वाला we will use the while loop, and in while loop we will traverse we will compare this robot with this top of the stack. Now its health is 16 and its health is like 15, so obviously it will remove from the sorry, we need to uh, make the health -1 also, so we can assume it's something 20. सो फिर से देखते हैं इसको. सबसे पहले अपन ने क्या किया कि सबसे पहले अपन ने ये फर्स्ट वाले जो रोबोट है उसको स्टैक में डाला, एंड बिकॉज इट इज मूविंग इन राइट. अगर ये लेफ्ट में मूव कर रहा होता तो वी डोंट केयर, but it is moving in live right, so we will put it in the stack, and then again we will move this is also right, so we will again put this in the stack, and now we are in this third, and third will have the third is moving in left and its health is 20, so 20 we will compare with this robot health, so it is 10 and this is 20, so we can simply remove this 10 wala jo robot hai from the stack, and now we will compare this with the now what is there in the stack, we will compare with that. So now we have the 3. So its health is third index robot and its health is 15. So 15 we will compare with this 20. Now if you will see 15 is compared with 20, so its health is like less and its health is, and we will deduct it also because we had collision already, and after collision we need to deduct -1 also, so -1. So now we will compare this 15 with 19. If we will compare this 15 with the 19, so 15 is like less, so we will remove this also from the stack, and then we are remaining with this second index robot, and it is going in the left. And if you will notice one thing, if it is moving in the left and we don't have any element in the stack, so we don't need to store this element in the stack क्योंकि ये ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट में जा रहा है. अगर कोई एलिमेंट यहाँ पे अगर आगे वाले जो रोबोट हैं अगर वो लेफ्ट में जाएंगे या राइट में जाएंगे, दे विल नेवर हैव कोलिजन विद दिस एलिमेंट, क्योंकि ये जा रहा है लेफ्ट में, अगर ये भी लेफ्ट में जाएगा तो दे विल नॉट हैव कोलिजन. अगर ये लेफ्ट में जा रहा है और ये अगर राइट में जा रहे हैं तब भी कोलिजन नहीं होगा. तो अगर अपना अपना जो अपन कंपेयर करेंगे, एंड इफ समथिंग इज मूविंग इन लेफ्ट, then we don't need to store that. We will store only the right one because we are traversing from left to right. So I think it is clear till now. We will move to the solution. Solution में क्या दिया है, सबसे पहले अपन int n, we will declare the size of the array, so it is n, and here I have used one vector order. Order is basically for the order is basically to get the position of that array, and we will initialize it with 0, and iota is nothing but it's like the order vector is there now, like n size vector, so it will start from 0 and eventually it will increase by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So elements will be stored in this way. So iota is used for that. Now what we will do is like we will sort this order based on the position, क्योंकि अपन को पता है कि जिसकी पोजीशन कम होगी that we need at the starting. That's why we are doing sorting in this case, क्योंकि जो अपन को वो चाहिए, क्या बोलते हैं, what we need is like अपन को जो पोजीशन अपन को लेफ्ट टू राइट ट्रेवर्स करना है, एंड आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर ऑल्सो दैट वी नीड टू सॉर्ट बाय पोजीशन. तो इस यहाँ पे अपन ने शॉर्ट यूज किया, ये क्या कर रहा है, दिस वी हैव यूज्ड द इनलाइन शॉर्टिंग फंक्शन, एंड व्हाट इज इट इज डूइंग, इट इज शॉर्टिंग बेस्ड ऑन द पोजीशन वेक्टर. जिसका पोजीशन कम होगा वो पहले आएगा, जिसका पोजीशन ज्यादा होगा नंबर वो बाद में आएगा. So we are doing sorting, and then what I have done, I have made this alive vector true. Alive means this robot is still alive, because at the end अपन को alive ही check करना है कि जो जो alive होगा उसकी health अपन को return करनी है. So I have created this alive vector, and initially I have marked for every robot the value true. Now I have the stack. Now I will start reversing this order vector. So what I will do, if my direction is r, means right, if it is going to right, then I will store to that number I can store to the stack. And if it is going to right, I told you, because we don't care about left. If it is going to left, then it will never collide with the right robot. So we will store this in the stack, and then what we will do, we will start traversing. And if it is right, we can store it. And if it is left, so now if it is left, then what we will do, we will compare it with the stack elements. So if it is left, then we will compare. In else case, it will go only if the direction is left. So अगर left है तो अपन stack के element से compare करेंगे, तो we will get the top using st.back, and then we will compare the health of the top and the current robot health. तो अगर जो अपना current robot का जो health है अगर वो ज़्यादा हुआ, then what we will do, we can remove that element from the stack, and we will make our alive of that element which is in the stack to false, and we can deduct the health -1 from the current जो रोबोट का जो हेल्थ है. दिस इज फॉर इफ एल्स में क्या कंडीशन है कि अगर अपना जो टॉप है, जो स्टैक में जो एलिमेंट है, अगर उसकी हेल्थ ज्यादा हुई, देन व्हाट यू विल डू इज लाइक वी विल मेक द अलाइव ऑफ दैट करेंट एलिमेंट टू फॉल्स, एंड वी विल डिडक्ट दैट टॉप का जो एलिमेंट है उसका जो हेल्थ है अपन को उसको -1 से डिडक्ट कर देंगे, एंड वी कैन सिंपली ब्रेक इट. ब्रेक यहाँ पे क्यों कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि अपना टॉप एलिमेंट बड़ा है. अगर अपना जो करंट एलिमेंट बड़ा होता, then we will deduct this करंट एलिमेंट का हेल्थ, और अपन को इसको पॉप करके अपन इसको नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट से कंपेयर करते. लेकिन अभी अपना स्टैक का एलिमेंट बड़ा निकला, तो वी डोंट हैव एलिमेंट टू कंपेयर, तो डायरेक्टली अपन ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. और एल्स में क्या करेंगे कि अपना जो दोनों का हेल्थ है वो सेम है, अगर दोनों का हेल्थ सेम है तो दोनों का अलाइव अपन फॉल्स कर देंगे, एंड वी कैन पॉप दैट एलिमेंट फ्रॉम द स्टैक, एंड in this case also we can we can break. एंड एट द एंड अपन क्या करेंगे कि अपन के पास जो रिजल्ट वेक्टर है उसमें अपन वी विल स्टोर द हेल्थ ऑफ ऑल द अलाइव रोबोट, एंड वी कैन सिंपली रिटर्न आवर आंसर. सो इस केस में अगर अपन टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी एंड स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी की बात करेंगे, तो टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी विल बी n log n. यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है कि n log n होगा या n होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अपन ने यूज एक ही फॉर लूप किया है, वी यूज्ड ओनली वन फॉर लूप. बट हाउ इट इज n log n, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस शॉर्ट, because this sorting will take n log n time complexity, and this for loop will have the time complexity big of n. तो अगर अपन like overall देखेंगे तो it will be like n log n, because this n log n will have the more value than this n. तो टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी विल बी big ऑफ एन log n। अगर स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी की बात करेंगे तो स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी अगर यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी वी हैव यूज्ड फैक्टर्स एंड स्टैक, सो स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी विल बी big of n only. So yeah, thank you.